Hello, and welcome to the Mastering AWS Development video course. My name is Wei Ye. I am a software engineer, tech lead, and also a geek. I've immersed in software web development for over 14 years. I'm now working with Autodesk in San Francisco as a principal engineer. I have a solid experience in a dozen of programming languages, like C#, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and Golang. I am an AWS Certified Solutions Architect. A few years ago, I also wrote a book, Instant Cucumber BDD How-To, which discussed adopting and practicing behavior-driven development methodology. Why I'm not hacking? I am very passionate about watching and playing football games, ski or snowboarding. Sometimes I do skydiving. I hope this sounds interesting to you as well. So now let's take a look at our course structure. We have totally 6 sections. In section 1, we will have an overview on AWS platform. Set up our AWS account with API key access. I will also demonstrate how to install and configure AWS command line interface. In section 2, we will have a deep dive in AWS. We will see how to use IAM to manage access to AWS services and resources. We will explore how to use S3 to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. We will deep dive into EC2, learn how shall we provision our EC2 servers, and provide secure, scalable compute capacity in the cloud. We will also learn how to use RDS and DynamoDB to effectively store our relational and non-relational data, and how we can leverage its reliable performance and great scalability. In section 3, we will learn how to run code on Lambda without provisioning or managing any virtual servers with zero administration. We will learn how to build a serverless service by leveraging API gateway. And finally, we will go through several best practices for Lambda and serverless. Section 4 describes the container solutions provided by AWS, Elastic Container Service, ECS, and Fargate. We will learn how to create and manage container repositories and control the running cluster. We will learn how ECS and Fargate makes our development cycle easier and faster. We will also cover several best practices for ECS and Fargate. In section 5, we will learn a few other popular AWS services. They are SQS, the fully managed message queuing services to decouple and scale microservices. AWS Cognito, which let us add user sign up, sign in, and access control quickly and easily. And CloudFront, which provides high availability and high performance by distributing the service spatially relative to the end users. In section 6, we will go through a suite of best practices while we work with AWS. Topics including cloud service design principles, manage infrastructures by code, cost control, and common resilience patterns. Alright, this is the overview of the Mastering AWS Development video course. Let's get started.